Hey everyone, in this video we're looking at calculating perimeter. So that's your main goal today of perimeter basic and composite shapes using your FSA. So to demonstrate your calculations, showing working out, applying perimeter to real context, and also using the appropriate units. So perimeter essentially is the outside border of any shape. So I can have this shape here, and essentially what I'm asking you to do is work out how far I would have to walk around the outside, or how long I would have to measure. If I took that out and put it into a straight line, that's essentially what I'm measuring. You need to make sure that when you are doing this though, that all your units are the same. So if you have a shape that looks like this, and this is saying it is 1.5 meters, and this side says it's 50 centimeters, it is important that you can do one conversion so that they are both either meters or centimeters. So that's the important thing. The general rule with perimeter, it doesn't matter what shape you have to add them together. Now, some shapes have like little formulas that help you remember, but essentially think of it as I just need to add all the numbers together. So with this one here, the triangle, calculating the perimeter for this shape, it's just going to be P equals. You can have it as side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Those ones then you can be substituted in 13 plus 12 plus 10. Notice how it doesn't really matter. I haven't really made a point of labeling them because it's additive. So I mean commutative. So adding does not, like the order of which you add things does not matter. 13 plus 12 gives us 525 plus 10 is 35. So it's 35. My units are all the same. It's centimeters. This one here, I could actually write it as P equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4, but I noticed that they are all 28 centimeters. So P equals side times 4, or 4s is something you could write instead. P equals, substituting, 4 times 28. P equals 112 centimeters. The next one. I've got a rectangle here, P equals, again, I could do side 1 plus side 2, but this time, because we know that these are equal sides, you may have already seen this type of formula, 2 times L plus W. So I'm going to add just 2 sides and then double it, instead of having to go 12 plus 12, 8 plus 8. So I'm just going to go 12 plus, so substituting in, 12 plus 8, and that's going to give us 20 times 2 is 40 centimeters. So that is how you calculate perimeter for a basic shape. If you have a shape that is an L shape, let's just draw one up here. And the shape looks like this. This is 4 centimeters. This is 2, this is 2, and this is, I'm going to leave that. You might say to me, but I don't know those numbers where I haven't gone all the way around. So assuming that this is nice and straight, it's essentially 2 rectangles butted together. What I've given you though is enough information to complete this. If this is 2 centimeters here, this has to be 2. Now if this is 2, this has to be 2. So 2 plus 2, that would give us 4. Now if you have this side here, you'll notice that none of the lines are sloped, so this has to be a part of that. It does not matter. That whole length there is going to give us 4. So already I know it's going to be 4 by 4. There's another 4, there's another 4. So that one would be P equals 4s, which is 4 times 4, 16 centimeters. And that is essentially it for both basic and composite shapes. So what I'd like you to do is pause the video, have a go of these ones. These ones are a little bit more challenging. They have different units in them. Please see if you can convert a couple of the sides and then find the perimeter. Pause and put the answers in your exercise book. All right, thank you. Stay awesome.